Imagine a world where machines and humans work closely together, where AI simplifies our tasks and helps us work more efficiently. Welcome to the future of the job market. Welcome to AI personnel training. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is no longer a futuristic concept. It is all around us, in our smartphones, cars, homes, and yes, even in our workplaces. But do you truly understand what AI is and what it can do? If you haven't started learning about AI yet, here are 5 undeniable reasons why you should start. Future of work. Artificial intelligence is reshaping the manner in which we conduct professional tasks. Roles are undergoing evolution, and jobs that were once exclusively manual are now integrating digital components. By gaining a comprehensive understanding of AI, one ensures their continued relevance within their professional domain. Efficiency and productivity, automation, predictive analytics, and real-time feedback, all are hallmarks of AI's capabilities. Such advancements signify that tasks are executed with increased speed and precision, leading to a significant augmentation in productivity. Innovation. Artificial intelligence paves the way for novel ideas, products, and solutions. By fully grasping its implications, one can be at the forefront of innovation, thus having the potential to revolutionize their respective sector. Decision-making. AI facilitates the real-time analysis of vast quantities of data, enabling enhanced and more informed decision-making processes. Career growth. Proficiency in AI is increasingly sought after. Organizations are on the lookout for individuals who comprehend and can adeptly utilize these technologies. By investing in AI learning, one amplifies their career prospects and market value. But how do you get started? That's where we come in. AI personnel training offers courses tailored to your needs, whether you're a beginner or a professional looking to deepen your knowledge. In the world of tomorrow, knowledge of AI is not an option but a necessity. Prepare for the future, enhance your skills, and become a pioneer in your field. Contact us today and discover how AI personnel training can help your company with tailor-made in-house training.